All right, so in this quick clip, I'm going to show you how you can take a PO, upload it into fullertontool.com, and have those parts very quickly added to your shopping cart. So from here, you're going to go to the search system and then click on Quick Add to Cart, and then upload your document. So just to show you what I've got here, I've just got like a fake PO generated with some common part numbers and quantities I'd want. So when you upload the document, you can upload PDF, Excel files, TXT files, even images. As long as the system can detect some part numbers and quantities, it'll give it a go. All right, so I'm going to upload a file here. We'll pick that fake PO, and I'll hit upload. Generally, in about 5 or 10 seconds, it will complete. There we go. And you can review the EDP and part numbers, or EDP and quantities here rather, or you can scroll down and review them here. If everything looks good, you can hit add to cart. The system will even identify any problems with your upload. So in this case, a part is being discontinued and only one piece is available. So we'll just quickly scroll down, find that part, and you can either remove it from your list, or I'll just put one quantity here for now. We'll add to cart again and should be good to go. From the cart screen, you can very easily see basically what we had in stock, what back orders will be placed, and then when those are expected to ship. If everything looks good, you can just click checkout. You'll continue to fill in your carrier information, carrier billing, shipping speeds, and any additional instructions, and you're good to go. It's just as easy as that to upload a PO to fullertontool.com.